no girl can style you. You want me bad girl. So I'm here doing my makeup.
First of all, when have you ever seen my face like this? I'm working on it, guys. Trust and believe.
It's now 2:38. I'm supposed to go to the beach, but Cam took forever, so I'm about to run downtown real fast. And then Ty just called me and told me to link up, so I'm about to link up by the club and whatnot. And look at my forehead, guys. My forehead broke out drastically because I'm taking probiotics. Daddy? Yeah, I'm taking probiotics. Well, I was taking probiotics. Just to try them out because I saw them on YouTube. And it did help, but they had me breaking out, so I had to stop. If you know me, you know I have good skin. For the fact that I'm breaking out now is annoying as hell. You know you're in the island when you hear the full crew at midnight with the door. Good thing. Yo, pet peeve is when y'all don't blend y'all damn neck. Like, I hate seeing girls put on makeup and they don't blend their neck, like all in these areas, especially back here too. Like, y'all makeup be looking like masks. For real, for real. You gotta blend y'all neck. I'm trying to bring back my makeup videos too. And I so apologize that I'm not consistent as one time, because I'm doing overtime at school and I go to work from like 5 a.m. to like 3, 4 p.m. So when I come home, I'll be knocked out. Knocked out clean. So I'm trying to do a lot of videos. I think I might do a story time. I think. I don't want to say I'm going to do it and not do it. But I have plenty of time here to do it, because it's not like I have anybody here to chill with. All my old classmates from when I went to Happy Grove and Hillsborough got their own set of friends. Some of them already migrated to America. So it's like ain't nobody down here to really chill with. My little cousin Alicia, I tell her I'm coming. She always only come one day. Claims she gonna spend the weekend, but only come one day with no explanation. Stop here, no mind. Wow. Thank God I didn't squeeze the sponge into my eye that much. I really put sponge on where my makeup is, like retarded. My wig, I take off my wig one of these days and wash it. And take off the glue and reapply it. You like this hair color though? Gotta really make sure everything blends. Daddy?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, where y'all go?
I'm gonna work. I'm sure I watch no TV.
Eh?
I'm sure I watch no TV.
Oh. How much pimento?
$500.
Just for that?
Yeah. Pimento is expensive, something like this.
Why is it so expensive?
A spice.
Yeah, but why is it so expensive? Daddy, plum beer now?
Huh?
Plum beer now?
Who?
Plum a beer now?
No. I don't plum time now. Me not bam bam if you not plum there. The nice plum with bam bam up there. You ever get them?
No, I'm gonna have to wash this towel. I'm gonna have to wash this towel.
More towel in them and just not even worry about that.
Yeah, the yellow towel. The yellow towel is the only towel I see.
No man, one next one like.
I want that. Annoying.
More towel in there, man. Towel that.
Oh,
You want it?
what do I do?
Oh, we are go beach.
If when I come back, maybe.
Oh, see, if you are cold, carry the yellow towel at beach.
Me know.
This is for towel in there.
This is for who?
What? What for you?
You said this up, you take up a towel and you said this up for you.
No, the other one is have a beach and that one have a beach dry off from something you want.
Oh, your nose are run.
Mm.
Oh, for your nose are run, you get sick?
You
get sick or something?
No. Hold on, I put more pepper like food. I can't manage pepper food, you know.
Rosie? Why you can't
manage? Knock these up here.
Who that?
Hey.
I'm not paying that side of the family no mind right now, you know.
Really, you listen to your father. Where you go?
I'm not paying her no mind. Not paying her no mind. I don't tell her she not come. Or she not plan to give me explanation, don't talk to me. You hear it here first, at least if you do see this video.
I'm kind of quiet.
Huh?
I'm kind of quiet.
I know, but still, if you're not going to come give an explanation, I say like, yo, I can't come. You understand me, I say?
Yeah.
So I pay her no mind, I'm not even right her. But if something for them want, I want to do for them, then fly fast. The good thing there. I'll talk to y'all later. This clip probably boring, y'all. So I'm back home from the restaurant and damn, my hair's sticking up. I'm about to go back on the road real fast with Kim. He want to go see his friend and use me as an alibi so he can leave early. If I get kidnapped, it's Kim. If anybody finds this camera, it's Kim. Huh? You said what? No.
Jaga, you would check your since evening. You would check your since night boy arms. Eh? Do me see him one night time and he tell me say yo, him a one, you see me? I'm tell him to show me, but he not show me, so I know if he circle around there or what, you see? I'm never not gonna know. But we will see him tomorrow still. They always out on the riverside.
This man is so confused, right? This boy that used to try to talk to me way back then, right? He was asking me when you fly now, let's go on a vacation together, but he always play around, whatever. Never taken serious. So the other day he went on vacation with his gal. Well, I would assume it's his gal because a couple months back he had a dinner thing and she was there. And now Ross like, oh shit, you got a girl, but I usually play around. I'm just not like I want to talk to you. He like, nah, nothing like that. I'm like, cool. So he's always asking me when I went to Thailand, let's go on a vacation, da da da. I'm like, yo, it's lit, like we out. But that's how we play in New York.
Yeah.
So a while ago now, today he wrote me like, no, on his vacation today I saw him post a picture of like the girl having a Game Boy in her hand, like an SP, and say throwback. But I know it's the girl because the complexion wise, by the hands, cause no, that ass. That's how females are. He posts her, she light skin, and obviously he posts her again where he just said he have a girl. So he went Turks and Caicos, and he not trying to post Shorty. So Shorty recording the videos, and every time they talking, he mute the video. And then he on the beach, and he had a video like this, trying to show the beach, and then she was in it, looking real bad, and he moved the camera mad fast. You feel me? So he writes me, I'm in Jamaica, he put, thought we were flying out, knew you were lying. I said, you went on island with your gal, with your girl, what is you saying? He gonna say, what that have to do with friends flying out? Shake my head, females be wildin' sometimes. Never mind, I'm guessing you were under the impression of some sort of vacation when I said fly out. Mind you, when I always say you out with your girl, it's never a problem. This is how I know you really got a girl, because the girl I got see this message. And I Jamaican man, and at the end of the day, he's a Pisces too, like me. So I know how to flip shit around. He never talked to me like this, so I know it's for the fact that the girl gonna see this message. Or probably have his phone.
Vacation.
Vacation, like what? Who the fuck's a vacation? At the end of the day, you wrote me, and I'm on my vacation. I never wrote you on your vacation. Well, niggas is confused, like, I don't know why men do that. So this person, never mind, I'm guessing you were under the impression of some sort of vacation. How the fuck is gonna be vacation? I'm not even fucking you or talking to you. I don't text you, I don't call you, we don't flirt. Like, what the fuck you mean I guessed it was a vacation? Every vacation I go on, since he re-added me on Instagram years ago and I was going on vacations, he's like, oh, you always travel. I'm like, everybody know I can travel. Be like, yo, bring me with you, like playing around. So I'm taking it as a joke. You feel me? So how me saying you have a girl, you trying to say, oh, you taking us some vacation? That's the first, second, or third time I said you. Niggas is confused as fuck. They ego, this nigga ego too big, like. Oh shit, I forgot I was recording. And my hand well stretched out too, like. My camera's nice, one camera. Yes, Auntie Sheena's stick up lip. What is that? Yeah. No. What's that record? Oh, copyright.
Right now, they have a party. Alright, now one more preliminary. They're gonna end the.
How y'all feeling this? Just got home. Chillin'. Supposed to go to this all-white party, but I don't know. I'm tired as hell. Nah, I'm feeling this fuck though, like. I don't know what I'm gonna do for that party I have to go to tomorrow. I think I might recreate this again, like some orange in it, but I cannot wait to wear my outfit. This is a fashionable bikini, but I gotta get all this fat away. Thank God it's firm fat though, it's not no jiggly fat. But I kinda have a love-hate relationship for this bikini, because the side boobs good, but then when you're taking pictures, it look like this. You see what I'm talking about? Like spilling it all out. Otherwise, let's see what happens. If y'all don't see me after this, I went to my bed. I ain't gonna stop more. I ain't recording anything all day. I've been chilling, but I'll talk to y'all later.
Yeah. Yo, I have so much attitude, my girl. Bumbuckler, I'm with him. Tight pussy, girl, calm down yourself. Me have something for you, why you know?